friends.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you? I am good. Thank you. I greet you on this wonderful and happiest moment. I am so happy and joy to be here with you, standing in front of you. Now I would like to share a few beautiful words about myself. I am Sharan. I have completed intermediate in DKW Darga Mitanalur. I am for Ratna's World. My hobbies are reading book, watching TV. My likes are I like myself, I like my parents. My aim is to become a teacher. My strength is my hard work. My role model person is my father Venkaya Garu. He is driver. My inspiring person is R.K. Sar Garu. He is my trainer. Coming to my family, we are 4 members in our cute and beautiful family. There are mother, father, brother and I. My father's name is Venkaya Garu. He is driver. My mother's name is Venkamma Garu. My brother's name is Santosh. He is daily worker. And I already all of you know very well about me. Thank you, my dear, for giving this great opportunity.